to the Y. The radio station with more. You're listening to the radio. Y to the Y to the Y. The radio station with more. You're listening to the radio station.
You're listening to.
You're listening to. This is Radio Biafra. Radio Biafra.
Land of the rising sun, we love and cherish. Beloved homeland of our brave heroes. We must defend our lives or we shall perish. We shall protect our hearts from all our foes. But if the price is that for all we hold dear, then let us die without a shred of fear. Held to be Biafra, consecrated nation, O fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be a dedication. Spilling our blood we count a privilege. The waving standard which emboldens the free shall always be a flag of liberty. We shall emerge triumphant from this ordeal, and through the crucible unscathed we'll pass. When we are poised the wounds of battle to heal, we shall remember those who died in mass. Then shall our trumpets build the glorious sign of victory. We scarred our mind to run. Oh God, protect us from the hidden pitfall. Guide all our movement lest we go astray. Give us the strength to hear the humanist call, to give and not to count their cost each day. Bless those who rule to serve with resoluteness, to make this climb a land of righteousness.
Yeah.
Long live up your mama as one more clock, man. We are the RPOBs. Momo Chinaka. Yo, man.
Biafra in London, Biafra in Germany, Biafra everywhere. Biafra in Russia, Biafra in Malaysia. Everybody likes it. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. But somebody said to all the IPOB, respect the leader of indigenous people. Nobody can stop Biafra, I say. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong. You can judge the leader of Biafra. You can kill the people of Biafra, but never, never change their decision. Every time I play this, a Babylon I wish me every day. Every time I sing this, a Babylon I wish me every day. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong.
Yeah. They say good and evil are we chose.
Biafra in bedroom, Biafra in bathroom, Biafra everywhere. Biafra in jail, Biafra in church, everybody likes it. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. I told you, nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Obama. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Britain. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong.
We are the RPOBs. Come on.
Tropical Records.
Yes, once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people, wherever you are all over the world. This is Radio Biafra Extra. This is Radio Biafra Extra, and we are streaming live through Radio Biafra London. And of course, we are coming out through the app this morning. We are coming out on our Facebook page. Of course, we are not on IPOB community app. I think it should be technical issue and they will do something about it. But until then, Radio Biafra is being anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. His name is Mazi Uche Okafo Mefo. Mazi Uche Okafo Mefo is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State. And Anambra State is Biafra land. Mazi Uche Okafo Mefo is the man who has simply assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. I do not expect everybody to understand the mindset behind those words. But one day you shall. He is standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazen Nande Ukukano. He is the king of Afari Beku. Afari Beku is in Omuahia. Omuahia is in Abia State. Abia State is Biafra land. Mazen Nande Kano is the director of Radio Biafra as well as Biafran Television. He remained one and the only man that stood up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people. Make no mistake about it, for over 60 years, nobody stood up to speak for our collective interest until he came. I give it to him. And of course, I am George Onibe. I come from Abo. Abo is in Anyoma Kingdom. Anyoma Kingdom. Ndiyo rafu wejedi tishi, ndiyo fulani wejeda adome. Anyoma Kingdom is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. Every piece of land. That having been said, I cannot proceed without acknowledging the Creator, the one who has set our feet upon this path that we must follow. Forever we will always worship him, because he will remain God. from eternity to eternity. After all, it's just another new day. A new day into the year, the last quarter of this year, 2020. First month of September. With all the challenges that lies ahead, with all the pit they dug, with the AK-47 pointed at us, with the poisons that are around our tables, we are still here. We are still here. What could we have been able to achieve, to do, except He is with us? And then I humbled myself and I said this morning to Him, Anyị na-aja gị mma o, n'eziokwu n'ịmara mma ị, ịhụnanya n'ịna gị, obiọma gị, o juru anya anya dadị o, inwe gị mgbanwe o, ọ dịghị onye dị ka gị, ịbụ Alpha na Omega. Anyị niile na-asị na n'ịdị mma o. You see. And of course, this morning we will continue from where we stopped last night. As a result of one or two technical issues, the program was prematurely cut short. And then this morning we must continue to review this principle as it may become the new driving force that will guide us in the remaining journey ahead. Believing in Elohim that before the end of this year, Biafra will be here as he had divinely spoken by the mouth of Ali Damaz and the Kano. We will bear anything to make sure we do not obstruct him. The topic remains keeping the record straight regarding certain issue, not all issues, certain issue about Biafra Restoration Project. There is something about Biafra. There are issues every one of us need to know. When you discuss issues like this, keep it straight. Because anything less than that will countermount to everything we have believed. And believe me, it will cause problem. It will cause problem in this life, in the next life to come, for the next generation. You have no idea. And so we must be guided by this principle, with this knowledge. This is the hour of enlightenment, not jinjai or jari. This is not the moment of jari. For every genuine freedom fighter, I say this is not the moment for gyration. This is the moment where wisdom must be deployed in its full capacity. I was cut short, I remember briefly, that I was talking about Asiko Babe and what happened between him, among others, with Ojukwu. And that was on the second point, which was what we must know about the Igbo nation. Asiko Babe hasn't gone out, became antagonist to Ojukwu. Only the one who made Biafra will judge all of them at the right time. Biafra land fell. But of course, we understand that sometime to be able to cover more ground, you need to pause. Our heroes, they paused. That is why people like General Philip Effiong will tell you, as a general, I was not conquered in an army, in the war rather. He refused to accept contract from Nigeria. Till his dying moment, the road that linked to his house was washed out by erosion. Then if you are greater than him in life, are you sure you'll be greater than him in death? There are certain things you must know about the true spirit of Biafra. For all who are hearing us tonight, it can never back down. When Ojukwu died, they thought that is the end of this journey. And then yet, people came up. So many groups came up. And honestly, I was still very young then. And then I began to hear about a group led by Wazurike. I have never seen myself as part of this struggle then. Because what do I know? I would have been part of that movement. Of course, that is what gave birth to our leader, Mazen Nandekano. But they never included us. It was centered on the southeast. Just like you have other groups like Joe Youth Council, Niger Delta Avengers. Of course, all of them, how do I put it? Authentic groups. Like the Anyoma Defense Forum, all of them. They divided all of us. They divided all of us. And so I couldn't join them because I'm not from Imo State, Abia State, Anambra State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State. And so I was not part of that plan. But I know how they fell. And when they fell out of favor, many people say, oh, who will lead us? Who will lead us? The same way they said, who will lead us when Ojukwu died. But yet our leader came. We understand the meaning of commencement. Our leader finally broke the camel's back. He broke it completely. Because today, you don't tell me about Biafra. Rather, we tell you about Biafra. The Urobo man, the Shekili man, the Ijo man, the Efik man, the Bibio man, Oron man, Eka man, Tinapa, Ogbobora, Ugebu man. Everybody knows the truth. But of course, I can only pray that the truth we all know not only will guide us, but will lead us to the end. And may the Creator continue to cause his face to shine upon us, because the enemy who have gathered against us, they are numerous. But believe me, until it's over, all over, it's not yet over. The Biafran nation, what you must know about it is that these are people you cannot stop. It is intimidation that keeps us strong, and harassment fuels our desire. And so each time you see the Nigerian state, we take A47, killing people, and out of desperation, they want to shut us down. Believe me, one way or the other, Biafra must come. And what the next generation will do about our encounter is left for them. If you like, do everything you can to stop everybody. Just like they did, Gowon and his cohort did to the generation of 1967 and 1970 to this very moment. They thought they could bury Biafra. They never knew they were seed. And now look at where we are. I think we are stronger than we have ever been. I think we are still here on the face of this planet Earth. I think our matters have been escalated beyond the control of so many. Because nobody will actually strike us without striking the heart of everything they hold dear. It doesn't matter whether it's America, Europe, anywhere in the world. When you strike one Biafra, look closely, you will see you are striking the heart of everything you hold dear. This is exactly what the Creator, Elohim, wants for all of us. So you must understand the truth about Biafra. That if you are here to toil with Biafra, Biafra will toil with you. It doesn't matter who you are. Our people must understand that. If it's a holy nation, if truth and righteousness brought us here, that must be guided. We are not just ordinary. This is the truth. I know. And just like the Bible said in the book of the Epistles of John, he said, it is not yet clear what we will become, what we shall become. But one thing we know is that when he will appear, we will be like him. It is not yet clear what Biafra will become. But the truth that cannot be overemphasized is that everything, every man, every Biafran who has walked upon this earth desire for Biafra, they will surely come. They will surely come. Because God will come and save all of us. Number 3 point there is what we must know about the Nigerian state. I see people introduce different patterns to be accepted by Nigeria. But the truth is that Nigeria know the truth. No normal, ordinary Nigeria will want Biafra to come. Anybody who believes in Nigeria can never wish Biafra restoration. This is one truth. If you love Yoruba, if you like kiss the ass of Hausa Fulani, they don't want Biafra to come. This is Nigerian mentality. No politics there. You are only deceiving yourself. I do not think there is anything we are going to do today that Dim Juku, Emeka Odumegu Juku have not done, except that a lot of people were not informed by his action. If you like, you go and kiss the bomb Jadarachi Kendi Yoruba Lendi Hausa Lendi Fulani. Even our own people who still believe in Nigeria, you cannot bend their will. The earlier Biafrans understand, the better. And so for the Nigerian state, the task to destroy Biafrans is a task that all of them must put their head together to achieve. And if they are so resolute about this decision, I think it would have been better that the task to put Nigeria to an end becomes something every Biafrans should stand to ensure. But we all know that is not the truth today. And then we should begin to find, why is it not the truth? In this journey, we have created more enemy for ourselves than friends. In our right, in our very home. When you have a contrary opinion against another person, you become a saboteur. All of you getting ready to call George Onibe saboteur. Get ready, you will see the recall of saboteur. Ndiara. How many more of our people are we going to victimize? How many more of our people are we going to destroy? How many more of our people are we going to humiliate? And why did we praise the enemy of our people? Not to say we no get sense. If the truth hurts you, disconnect me. One way or the other, we will make our voice to be heard. Because you have no idea what we have lost. We will give account at the right time. Imagine if I was dead. And then I wake up in hell or in heaven. And then I see that the purpose I died for is nonsense. I will appeal for 1,000 years to come back and correct my mistakes. I have visited brothers in the prison. I have been there myself. I didn't use GSM. I didn't carry weight. They naked me for 60 days. Handcuff, hand and leg. The handcuff they put in my hand is called Chicago Steel. The same handcuff they put in people's hand is what they put in my leg. Inside this IPOB, idiots are drinking palm wine to come and broadcast and doing swagger. And these are the people idiots are praising. But may I remind you that this is a war situation already? I mean, hey, we don't pass the era. Make we follow the era. This is a new era. Are you insane? Don't you know there were time men were men? You don't have sense. That is it. Today is swagger now. When you are broadcasting, somebody mistakenly saw me. I was naked yesterday broadcasting. I was sweating. Of course, people made sure I had air condition already fixed there, but the generator cannot carry the air condition. And then you are broadcasting, you are drinking palmy, and you are the one who know what is happening. Don't worry, the thunder is jamming already for all of us. And anybody who soil his hand for Biafra matter, let me leave him for Chukwukika Abiyama. As far as Nigeria is concerned, you must understand. For how long they made sure that Igbo man will not be president. The very currency we use is a reminder to all of them. Never allow Igbo rule again. Amado Bello clearly stated it, BBC. And every day they deceive you and you end up deceiving yourself. Igbo presidency, Nkanye Bonkanye. We are watching. No matter what you do, the only Igbo man that will enter that presidency, he better have Fulani blood. If not, you will understand how determined these people are. Before our very eye, they built Oduduwa institution. And some of our people will gladly applaud them. They have Oduduwa Library. They have Oduduwa Civic Center. They have Oduduwa University. They proudly proclaim who they are. The moment the Yoruba who are not the same, from the Kale to the Jebu, from the Jebu to the Kwara, from the Kwara to the Ife, the moment they gather and you hear them say, Omo Oduduwa Lemi, that is the end of every discussion. That is the end of the discussion. Abdusalim Karimi, Abi Karim, the guy who sang Nigerian Jaga Jaga. He was being interviewed regarding his first album. I still have the video clips with me here. One of these days I will use it to make presentation. And that reminds me, if I, George Unibi, is not streaming live through Radio Biafra London through the app, you can always get me on my Facebook page, Justice Mariri or Biafra Watchmen. You will see me broadcasting there. My Facebook name is Justice Mariri Adiamama. I will still talk about it. And then he mentioned some people's name. He mentioned one Hausa man. He said he's a formidable Hausa man fighting for the good of Nigeria. He mentioned another one. He said he's a Yoruba. That should be Sowore. He said everybody knows Sowore is a dogged fighter trying to ensure the betterness of the Nigerian people. And then he mentioned the next person, our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He said he's fighting for freedom. I called him Ujuru, Ujuru. Go and listen to Adisa Karimu song there. He said that the freedom fighting our leader is fighting is Ujuru. To them, they have made their stand. Whatever you do, however you want it, they have made their stand. They use some idiot to be attacking us and they politicize everything about us. Are we that daft that we fall into any of their trap? The Nigerian state, to the extent that the Arewa, you can imagine now, Arewa in minority, and now the one telling you how it's going to be. I read online there is a community in Anambra that is answering Allah already. A community in Anambra, their name is Allah. This is the power of their one Nigeria. And of course, every tribe, every breed trapped in this contraction called Nigeria, if you have not started making plan to defend the last outpost, when I say go back to your roots, some people think it's about juju. Here. There are things that cannot be associated with us. We can never identify them. In whole Anambra, Eben Nam, they have a community called Allah. Just let me just be very correct the name of the community, because it's Allah stroke Nwafu. So we now have genuine Allah children inside Anambra. And these things doesn't give us concern. To you, the interest is all about politics. But believe me, you have no idea what is coming. But I'm happy because IPOB leadership has been able to bring up everything to a limelight where nobody can be deceived, where nobody can be conquered, where nobody can be destroyed, where nobody can be bamboozled any longer. Nigerians can go ahead and do whatever they like, but the truth is that at the end of the day, Biafra must be restored, one way or the other. One way or the other. Somebody wake up, go to his village, and then he called his village Allah. I think I cannot lay my hand on that very page, but I was not happy about it anyway. The Hausas beat their frontier to the extent that you don't even know who is Hausa, who is Fulani, including Middle Belt. Sheepishly followed them, and the moment they say yes, so Arewa area boys will come and give declaration. You as a Biafran, they gave you quick notice. It's close to Igbo presidency, they will apologize. This is who Nigerian is. This is who they are. Oh, when he came you just can't change it. The more you delay, the more they destroy the little that is left of us. I don't believe in sentiment. There's no need trying to create pressure, trying to create fear, so everybody begin to panic. You destroy those soldiers even before the march. Activate the right button. The people will see the truth. So any Biafran today, you are in the government house, you are my king, you are anybody, understand the Nigerian system is designed to destroy us. We all know this truth. I keep saying it. Nobody stood up to speak for our collective interest before Mazen Nnamdi Kanu came. Nobody can take that from him. It is truly a legendary landmark achievement. One way or the other, we have to defend our life. Like our national item or Pretor song rightly said, if the price to defend all we hold dear is death, then let us die without a shred of fear. I will rest in the grave if you have that privilege. Of course, you will not. You won't. But whatever the case may be, with our dying moment, I want to be smiling. And so the enemy of our people will know the fake. But believe me, the people who will kill me, they are dead before I was born. Nonsense. It doesn't matter you are a Biafran, Urubu Shekiri, you are romancing with one Nigeria, we can entreat Yoruba, and let us entreat Hausa. Our parents has done that before. Kerone. This is the time you talk sense into your people. You talk sense into your people. Let us keep this record straight. Let us not pretend as if somewhere along the line you're gonna do miracle. You gonna not do any miracle. This is a homogeneous society. When we say it is a homogeneous society, it is characterized by the characterized by educated and illiterate, intellectuals and academia, characterized by mechanic and mad people. It's your choice. Very complicated. Nigerians know this, they take advantage of it. My mother is from Umuede. And then somewhere along the line, they forbid the eating of cocoyam. And then from where my father comes from, in fact, me and my father, our best food is cocoyam. Then there hardly a day we don't eat cocoyam. And then my mother one day came out. We know my mother village don't eat cocoyam. We have been informed never any plate we used to eat cocoyam, we must keep it far away from my mother's kitchen. And one day my mother mistakenly took the plate I used to eat cocoyam and then used it to eat food. Before she finished that food, her throat starts crashing her. In less than 20 minutes, her throat swelled up. And she said, "Did you people use this plate to eat cocoyam?" And I said, "Yes, Mama." And she said, onyemi buemo. She just left the food, hurried up out of the kitchen, tied her wrapper without beating, straight to Umunede, all the way from Orogodo to Umunede. It was around 11 she got there. She came back at about maybe 7:30 in the evening, and she was well. And then she said during the war that their community ran into cocoyam farm. And of course, you know how fragile the stem is. And so when they were running in there, they were matching the cocoyam stem and everything fell. And then, of course, the Nigerian murderous army will observe that it will reveal that people has run towards this direction. My mother said the coconut stood by themselves, still gathered water as it used to be early morning, as if nobody have passed there. And then they said, "We will not eat cocoyam again." Those things, those laws, cultures, and tradition must have been destroyed. But why am I bringing it up? And then you come out, you say, oh, Umunede, you don't eat cocoyam, or Akomase, you don't eat cocoyam. Therefore, because I am Abo man, everybody must not eat cocoyam, or everybody must eat cocoyam. You've killed me already. And then he that is down, does he fear any fall? So when you make decision in a homogeneous society, understand the first thing you must do is to be able to price their position. That is why God is God. Do not forget that no matter what happens, if you like, you can't please Nigeria. It is not doable. It is not all this grammar. I don't know the one to use. Anyhow you want to do it, you're not going anywhere. Nigerian army is actually trained to kill anybody who want to challenge the territorial integrity of Nigeria. The Buckingham Palace, the Shell SPDC, every other oil company, the politicians, all of them have sworn an oath. Nobody divide our almighty zoo in territorial integrity. Nobody. And then what boy you can and if they've made a vow never to sleep under the same heaven with us, and then we need to make a vow never to close our eyes and sleep. So you must understand what Nigeria represents. And anybody trying to romance an association and assimilation, you just kill the next generation. Number 4, what we must know about the pressure group. IPOB is pressure group. That is what it's supposed to be. Not lovey group. IPOB is simply a pressure group, not a negotiating group. And when they say you are a pressure group, what do? Create atmosphere for saboteurs to breed, or you make them yourself? This is a pressure group. Pressure group, of course, we have been guided by the principle of the law. Everything I as a person has done in this struggle has always been through the preamble of law. And of course today Nigerians cannot come out and condemn any of us in a competent court jurisdiction. They don't have what it takes. It is our right to agitate. It is our right to demand for referendum. It is our right for civil disobedience. It is our right to protest. These are basic rights that were first of all God-given before there were anything like United Nations or Nation United, EU, AU. This right was first of all our right. You can't deny it from us. You can't take it from us. And so when we say we are pressure group, our target should be, how do we pressurize Nigeria? Our target is to create every form to enable negotiation to stand. Is it not amazing that amalgamation has expired? 100 years is over. And if we do not understand what it means to be a pressure group at this time, and then maybe we will fight for Biafra all our life. To some people, it is a career already. My job. Give me my office. It is our office. Once you are on top, general. Hey, my brother, I hope you people are doing well. Oh. Hey, Elohim guide you. We know all these things. We know all these things. It's not a career. I was once the African rep and Nigerian interim national coordinator. At the same time, Biafra Land national coordinator. It's not my father's property. It is because none of you were there. All of you were not there. The ones who were there, all of them have been apprehended. And I was rightfully instructed that as I train people, and then I step aside. There's nothing there. The first set of people I trained, I inaugurated them in Delta State. I moved away, but they couldn't perform. The second stage, Mazike Chukugwoha. And I step aside. The African rep is not my property. My property is my life. It doesn't belong to my parents. But of course, I will use it to honor all of them. To some, it's a career. And the new general overseer, I'm the new Toto Tururu Ndiara. We are dragging for post, dragging for useless relevance. And the next time we come, oh, they kill us, oh, hey, they kill us again, oh, hey, they kill us again, oh, hey, Tanchiko Kikabiama, hey, I mean, it's missing, oh, hey, how does that take us home? And then these people are busy having fun, re-editing video for us. All of them carry an Android phone. They import news and nyash and neck. They put them. We they analyze them. They are laughing. Honestly, we're supposed to fix a date. We're supposed to fix a date. Of course, we do not think it will come that day. But before that day, people will understand. These are what we must know about pressure group. You have something you want. You pressurize the people. You sell the idea. You recognize the ability of everybody to do what they can do. That is where we fail. When one governor speaks in Yoruba land, all the governors, they rally round. When one king speaks in Yoruba land, all the rest rally round. The same thing applicable to the north. We should ask ourselves question, where are we getting it wrong? When this one talk, this one say no, this one talk, this one say no. Onye mariki ihe mbeku anwụtọ na imi bu afia. Onye mariki ihe mbeku anwụtọ na imi bu afia. Let's not forget we are supposed to be pressure group, not entertainer. We are not even media platform. The media here is to enlighten our people and warn them about the next danger. We are not bloggers. There are certain things we must know, what we must understand about the enemies of Biafra. That is number 5. The enemies of Biafra are very smart. They're not stupid. When we talk about Satan as a Christian, these are the truths I want everybody to understand. I went to a church program somewhere in Oshu State. They call the place Urioke. I went to pray. There was this mountain that is, it should be over 170 feet high. And on top of this mountain or rock, there is a building there. It belongs to the Apostolic Church. We have to climb all the way. I could only wonder how that church hall was built on top of that rock. We went there to pray. From that day, my life changed. The hall was filled up with pro people. Of course, as Africans, the best way to solve our problem is no luawa. It works, honestly. That is what is keeping both of us. And then the pastors came in and started leading prayer. He's a Yoruba man. And he said, you have to pray. Ask God to kill all your enemy. This man was fierce. Desperate poor people like me. Desperate hungry people like me. Desperate frustrated people who just need this miracle. You have not been to Mountain of Fire, you won't understand what I'm saying. Amen, amen, amen. Amen. Everybody prayed. Their head nearly fall out. And I was like, will it take God all this to listen to me? But I was praying and was watching the drama. That is what it is to me. And And then he raised another prayer point. And then he raised another prayer point. About 4 or 5, and make sure everybody was exhausted. The pastor said, now we are going to do something. We are going to do something. Everybody look through the window. I want you to go to outside. Go outside. You will see the dead body of the people you are praying against. And people move to the window. Maybe they will see a devil dead body. And the man said, look at all of you. Oh, I bind you, I lose you, I tie you, I can camp you, I cropass you, and I cadize you. When I don't see dead body for road, they say, now your prayer key. Everybody was ashamed. The hall was quiet. And the man said, let me tell you, praying is good because we have different type of prayers. But the best or the first thing you need for all that to function is to ask for mercy. When you obtain the mercy of God, forget about the rest. Because if our way please God, he makes even our enemy to be at peace with us. Ask for mercy. That word clicked to my spirit. I left that prayer ground. I went to another far end of the mountain. I lay on the ground. And I prayed to him. Nothing more than mercy. Cast me not away from your presence, O Lord. Take not the Holy Spirit from me. Restore unto me the joy of my salvation, and renew a right spirit within me. Everything that I am today was laid bare before me. And I saw it. And I knew the road I must follow. Why am I saying this? Our enemies, you have no idea. You can't kill Satan. You can't kill Satan. Forget about those things. Instead of God to kill Satan, he killed his son. You want to kill Satan. Do you know Satan is older than most angels, including Angel Gabriel and Angel Michael? Did you know he once led them in heaven according to the Bible? Did you know Satan is coming to rule this earth according to the Bible? Did you know the reason he has not come according to the Bible is because church is preventing Satan? Because the book of Revelation actually said that not until that which is preventing him from coming, from manifesting, is taken away, he will not come, but he's here already. Somebody older than your father, somebody who saw every age and dispensation. And you think it's somebody you live by the mercy of God. You live by the mercy of God. Our enemies are smart. Our enemies are sharp. Our enemies are intelligent. Our enemies are fierce. They are heartless. We know all this. And then the best we can do is to be ready for them. Look at how they function. I made a publication online yesterday on my Facebook. Now, one idiot made a statement and said, oh, the people they are killing are not our soldier. Our soldier is not yet marching. They will march very soon. Nigeria, we know. Now, this is not the enemy of the external enemy. This is internal enemy. I know them. I'm just waiting for all of them to come out so that I will shred them. This is supposedly a fellow comrade. They use everybody. They come in as friends. You won't know them except God showed them to you. If I have to digress to the book of Job, the Bible says when the sons of God gathered, Satan was also there. All of them were sitting comfortably as if they are all sons of God. Until God said to Satan, what are you doing here? The other angels never knew Satan was there before he spoke up. And then the person who wrote that thing is actually trying to tell Nigeria, oh, it is judge that is threatening you. That is why they are doing it. I want you to go and look at all the Facebook carrying Mazi George Onibi. Somebody is using it to set me up. If I tell you who the person is now, why they are doing it now? And then when he finished writing it, then another man, a person, If he's the one writing it, he's an idiot. But I don't think he's the one writing it. I don't want to mention his name, but you go to my Facebook page, you see there. Yes, this is George Onyibe, faceless African rep. We don't fight on behalf of the panel. But the idiot, if he wrote it, or the other idiot who is trying to hit my head to the guy's head, should understand. Go and ask Chidebe Onwudiwe. From the first protest movement of IPOB here on ground to this very moment, I have not been found wanting. Because I know they kiss you, they romance you, they jump up and down. May you call me General Overseer. Does not mean I'm hiding. Because even as we speak today, I walk among all of you. You don't even know me. In my unit, they don't know me. Only few people know I'm the African rep. Because I'm a member. I sit like other member. And if somebody just say, hey, is he hiding the microphone? You think it's this thing that brought me here? It's just part of what we have to do. I'm a coordinator, I'm on ground. This is how they roll. And then the next we go, hey, he's eating money, he's eating money, he's a saboteur. And I know the shame if any mono. What they do is they inbox you from behind. Hey, this man is a thief. This man cannot be trusted. This man is this one. This is what they do. This is how the enemy of the people function. Igbu emikelim. Igbu mbilim. Igbu emiliemu aye aye. Igbu emu galokwa dim aye nenu wakanye no aye. Igbu emu gamokwa nwam aye nenu wakanye no aye. Igbu emu gelikwa no aye nenu wakanye no aye. That is what they do. 2017, they impose themselves. Oh, impose themselves. They plan you. Oh, you're planning me. But who are you planning? You can succeed in the people who don't know. This is how they function. We must take note of all these points I am making. You have not killed one Fulani. You have not killed one Yoruba. You have frustrated everybody. To what end? To what end? These are the real enemy. Not even people with AK-47. They ask you to broadcast. Your job, you are a new recruit. You're talking to your fellow, your comrade, indirectly. And you think they can't reason? And of course, those of you I'm talking, you know I'm talking to you. And that is exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing. Believe me, it's not personal. I want you to see how stupid you are. New recruit. You are recruited to talk to your own people. Hey, don't cause this one. Hey, don't insult this one. Hey, but you are insulting me. Let me tell you people, it is Biafra or Biafra. O men wa honi kwe mi hime we kwe hwa. Abi no awotane. O men wa honi kwe mi hime we kwe hwa. We must understand what the enemy does. Very soon now, some people will come out, oh, it's presidency, let us go for referendum. And it wasn't, oh, referendum, oh, referendum. Then people who know how to change narrative will now fall in and say, yes, I'm suggesting IPOB should take this opportunity to push further for referendum by identifying with one political party, and then we will gather momentum. Look at the grammar. If you hear the grammar, it is a Biafra don't come. We will gather momentum through a political machinery and accountability, and then we hit it. Even Nnewi Ojukwu could not win election. In Nnewi. Now where the momentum go gather. Now where saboteur don't move from analog to software. You must understand, our enemies are among us. Our enemies are smart as we are. Our enemies have even more advantage than us. But we have one advantage over them, and that is righteousness. That is righteousness. I was writing a book, and then I was like reading out what I was writing, and I got to his place and I said, because he said the truth you cannot kill the person. And one of my sons said to me, death cannot kill righteousness. I changed it immediately. Death cannot kill righteousness. Doesn't matter. Death cannot kill righteousness. There is no way darkness can conquer light. And then finally this morning, what we must understand is that we must be focused. We must be focused. We must be focused. I want to believe that we will come to a position where we gather as comrades, as brothers, as sisters, and then we review everything we have done in the past. Above all, we give thanks and praise to Elohim for everything that he has done for us. I want to believe that there are things to do that we have not done. There are things we have to see that we have not said. Believe me, no matter what happened, every Biafran must remain focused. The real enemy is changing the game, but the true people who are not enemy must remain focused. Our mission statement is simple. Divide Nigeria so that Biafra can be free, or keep your Nigeria and let Biafra go. One way or the other, the enemy of Biafra will understand that the sacrifice of the people will never be in vain. I'll be back in a minute.
We've gone far in this wilderness. Victory still stands ahead. We are no longer in Egypt. We have crossed our seas. We've gone far in this wilderness. Victory still stands ahead. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes, we not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great heroes. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Inside the wilderness, never open your soul to the wicked one. Penetrate and kill your people. To what he get charge you to say. Inside the wilderness, never sell your soul to the wicked ones. Penetrate and kill your people. God have charged you to say. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes, we not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great heroes. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have put in your hands to save. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have charged you to save. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes, we not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great heroes. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Be courageous. Remain resolute.
almost hail Biafra in the end. And of course, at this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line is 070, is still 070 815 45642. 070 815 45642 is our WhatsApp line. Our direct line is 081 221 52971. 081 221 52971 is our direct line. And then the special number for the female is 081 288 58614. 081 288 58614. And of course, the lines are now open and you are free to call in and make your contribution as we continue on our program. Yes, Monitoring Spirit, how are you? Good morning from here. Monitoring Spirit, are you there? Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Wafu mo lu province Biafra land. Esim na ala Biafra na ezi ozi Chineke ji eluigwe. Ụwa niile nụrụ ya n'akwụkwọ Ezekiel chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. According chapter 3, verse 8 and verse 9. Very, very important. Chukwu tikada ma so ko tikele obi de na Kanu were ki poche ya. You people are seeing that he is resolute. Our leader is fighting for a just the land of Biafra, the land of our ancestors, the before us. And there are those who will live after us. We will not abandon this project for them. That thing that is impossible before Trump. God in heaven has made it possible. For the world to exist from today till 1st September 2020. Make sure that Syria is destroyed, otherwise America will be destroyed. The mantle of the authority of the nation is what has agreed with on form. Deuteronomy chapter 32. Verse 8 and 9, very important. The creator heaven have assigned every nation their own land and their own heavenly place. But he is the creator, choosing the land of Biafra for us, Biafra. We honor his trust and apology to restore our fatherland. Numbers chapter 9 to chapter 17, Biafra study very well. Numbers chapter 9 to chapter 17. You see chapter 16. If you eat all the wicked, the Lord is sure and all what the dead and not the come and let us see you. Sarah. The Lord will open up and follow of you. Our leader doesn't have the cash, the only way. The truth and the life. No pattern permits into Biafra land except him. One of an follow. Biafra is an enemy. Yeah, we don't know Biafra here we worship. Support the Biafra is our God, sent by our leader, simple and short. You see chapter 17 of the same number. We take that every 2 days we take that parole. Only of like in a form of crazy. They get an under one night of the upon your own air, on a kind of plan. On your plan, so now, all well. Well, you're talking about that, and not the kind of better. Oh, yeah, we upon that, if you try to respect that, and you white out of this problem. But take for the share of the problem on a kind of form. Next time, you have to pay your bill. They are coming inside. And they will again, and they don't again, and they don't again. But when there's a way the politician, and that's the police, can we take over the can take any part of that? And I'm not taking the time. Una yẹn náà bẹ́ẹ̀ láti ẹni ìlànà olùkọ́ pápá tẹ́tẹ́ sọ fún ẹ̀kọ́ ọdún mẹ́ta. Máa ṣe ní òṣìṣẹ́ ìkọ́jú kékeré o. Táàmù ọ̀yà ẹ̀ fún mi nù. We are taking our left back and no protest. Come and take away you. When I am down with it. I'm going to make a line. I'm going to make a good people for us to move back. When I go to the people, oh, for the difference in the job. That's all I have to say. They can't know the one, no one for you. They make a time, and I work at Papa. But then, the government has declared that they will make sure that they are not having their picture. Those who set up that but I think they have been acting with the other. Everything I have for good. It's so first to make sure that this caliber is going to sky from there in Nigeria. American people, after that, I use it. So the opposition is there, I have to remove what to do. American, if you are not close to the government, you are fire. You say about American came out there. We say, our living is there. They say, everything just control over the world. You know what I mean? According to the government, you have been able to make it. Every investment is stability to own with anybody ready to take the carrying on the road. Don't get the shit. Get there. And when you open the door, you go, no, I'm going to the move. And they put out a man who can buy a walk off to a moment of the I think I'm going to get that. Only when fight like that, that's there for them. What the other man? Our leader. There, we will go. I'm not going to compare to that. On your blood, I'm to I want to tell you that there are some 46 that say that 11. You can make a boy alone. God gave you that I had the kind of but I want to look at it. I don't believe that no one can handle it or like Moka. Dara, my favorite situation. Let I have it for everything like the extent of his track and country of the fool. Only quite your just a for the one I know from off from every other. There's a couple like some there. After there's no problem about the president as a man. I want to go to the people. I got a little land now. I thought it was I thought of the other one. I just know like the answer. The same is how often I can say I am how much of a tell me to see that would you want to go to the people. They can do let's make it get some answer. Doesn't get to that answer. I come to the top of the get them a couple of chapter 1 to chapter 4. I tell you, chapter 4, I tell verse 35, 36, and 46. If you don't look upon things and make your father land to be resolute, then I will take over the city. And you begin to say, I take a abandon you to stand up. Then I don't like there. Only consider the battle. I know, almost a rebel blue, I'm going to let out some of the Papa. Can I get it particularly my? All your Papa on the park, I need to know the one politician, the one government. Can't follow Galactic sport to We are not joking. Every religion not keep up a second. I can more to me na to aga oje of uncle well. Oje nna mane dị nwa wo nna mane ya so ma ko mo tafare mu. Obe it's just give back to ko jaba get there so. Oje omenala for apa omenala aga dire oje. All right, that.
Of course, everybody must hail Biafra. We must continue. People must understand there are certain things that all of us, we must have at the back of our mind. We must take note of them. There is no two ways about it. One way or the other, we're going to stay past the road that we're supposed to pass. The road that we all to pass. This is Radio Biafra Extra. And as you all know, our mission is simple. Our destination is Biafra land. The enemy of Biafra can do anything they like. But they know of the truth that none of them can be justified in their action. None of them can be justified in their action against our people. It is as simple as ABC. Amalgamation has expired. The people of God, they want to go. It will be better for all of us to go. Let Yoduduwa have their own great nation and empire to themselves. They are rewards also, and let us be. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Mazi George Onibe. Good morning.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, my own brother. Since ever I said I wanted to call you, I've been sick. So
sorry about
I've been trying to, I just regained myself recently. My dear brother, I heard what you said this morning. We will keep on fighting. Before I comment, I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, all the IPOB freedom fighter, depending on your time zone. I remain your brother, Unstoppable CB. Unstoppable is indigenous of Idima in Anochukwu in Biafra land. Mazi George Onibe, based on what you are talking, let me bring this from. There is something I send on your WhatsApp line. And that thing remain. Do you know that Umode in Aba, Umode village in Aba, did you know that they have joined with Mieti Allah to open vigilante group? This is what is near since Friday last week. They inaugurated it here in Aba, and the worst part of it is not that they open a vigilante group. Did you know that some of our coordinators, some of our IPOB members join in this vigilante group? Do you see what is happening here? But they know that our leader have already said it. They know what is lingering. It is now they have come to join this with together with the king now to open this vigilante Mieti Allah vigilante group here Unumode. That to say that our life is at risk. What they are doing now is to go in the night to point at the house of the IPOB members here, even Umumode and outside Umode. This is what our brothers are doing. That same saboteur. Likewise, what we are saying, that there is no how neither represent, never allow Igbo man to rule again. Now, the reason why our director have been shouting, release Olisameto, then they have now run around and release Ojo Zokalo, because Ojo Zokalo carry their blood. They want to use Ojo Zokalo to fight us. That's why they release Ojo Zokalo. Why can't they release Olisameto? The money that Ojo Zokalo carry and the one Olisameto carry, which one is bigger than? So Ojo Zokalo and the offense of Olisameto, which one is bigger than? Now why are they releasing Ojo Zokalo, leaving Olisameto in the prison? But our leader is shouting all this while our people supposed to understand what is happening, and these people are using their brain to play game on us. And our people, the same thing happening here in IPOB. The people you call your brother are not your brother. Some of them carry Fulani herdsmen blood. That's why they can be able to wake up to blackmail you. They can be able to wake up to fight you. Even here in Abia State, we are having problem here and there. Who are the people causing it? These are Fulani blood causing the problem in IPOB. You think that you and your brother follow. You think that you and your brother is going for a walk. You think that you and your brother is working together. You don't know that you and your saboteur is working together. But all I know is that we will not run away from them. We will not run away from our land. We'll call them come shine. Almost here Biafra. All of us, we must die here. Whether they like it or not. We would, if we carry the Biafran blood, if I, Unstoppable, is a true Biafran, Mechuko Kikabiyama show who he is here in Biafra land. I will never die, I will see Biafra land. But if I am not a true Biafran, hey, may he not mercy for me. May I die in the front of this war. We must restore Biafra. Whether they like it or not, we will never run away from them. Whether they sabotage us or not, we will be here until we restore Biafra. That is all I know. Anything they like, let them do. Here in Umo, the many of us, we are running scatter to see where to hide ourselves. I Unstoppable will never hide myself. I will fight to the end. And I will fight without retreating. I will fight without surrendering. Let them, if they like, let them be a saboteur. I don't care to know. Let them join Mieti Allah. Let them join Fulani herdsmen. Let them join Boko Haram or whatever they like to join. We are here and we will die and we will fight to the end. Mazoni keep on keeping on. Nothing sleep do I. Whether they like it or not, nothing sleep do I. Our people say that. Yes, our people say that. The sleep will be. Person will die. I think you won't sleep. You go. You won't die. Go sleep to the extent you say you no go sleep. Keep on keeping on. We are there. Mazen Nando Kukalu, we hear you. We are there with you. What must say Biafra? Mazen, keep on keeping on. I rest my case here.
Thank you very much. And of course, we are inching closer to the end of this program. But let's look at it. These are the things we must understand. I have never heard Yoruba include an Igbo man in their plan. I have never heard Hausa man include Igbo man in their plan. And then there is still another person somewhere in Umudi bringing Fulani herdsmen. Of course, it has been a hidden tradition among most of us. When we talk about Bakassi, go there, you will see Hausa Fulani in Bakassi. Call on WhatsApp, are you still there?
Hello.
Yes. Go ahead. Ndo.
Yeah. The Osloban may and they have you full regular one on a row. I think a liquid.
He said, Unya boom, Chukuki John Chichale. Inyanyi Melanie Bukani, Melanie Bukani. I call your child be a chayaka in Jipuhane, some moon and his own don. Unya Sino will in Branny Jikwisi, and you can't have any way Jingwisi Quisi.
Yeah, don't check go. The still goes in shame as none color like for.
He said,
I know, Yadumono, Ukahu, Ukulu Bonare,
he said,
on a hooky.
He said,
You have a bono catch a caranoma, Caramano, or Caramano, or Caramano. The soul of Doma, sing you a Doma.
He said,
Domone,
you make it. Like I was saying, our people must understand the enemies, they don't tolerate us. We have Ojuku has gone negotiating. They don't. You are forming group to kill your own people. You are forming vigilante. You are forming using the federal might to destroy us. And then you think Yoruba will take you serious. And then you think Hausa will take you serious. You think Fulani will take you serious. Our children are watching us. I could only play that our useless decision, some of our hopeless decision, may not affect their characters in the nearest future. Makani wesonyeru alendon dama. Onyeru alendon dama. But we must not forget that when it comes to this Biafra restoration issue, there are certain things we need to discuss. There are certain things we need to cross-examine. There are certain things we need to reevaluate. Because in the end, we are the one who has got everything to lose. It is either now or never. But believe me, one way or the other, Nigeria must obey. And of course, this is where I will round up this program. In the evening, we continue from where we stop. Sincere appreciation to those of you who called in. My apology to those I cannot take their call at this moment because time is up. Do have a wonderful night's rest. Do have a wonderful day ahead of you, depending your location at this moment. Goodbye for now, and God be with all of us. This is a temptation, but then let me take it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, this is Napoleon Onyeka Ono. I'm calling from Netherlands, Amsterdam.
Go ahead, my brother.
Yeah, first of all, I want to appreciate you for the good work you are doing for us. And also, I want to tell our people it's time to wake up. It's time to do the needful. It's time for we to think right and do what is right at the right time. Because the situation we are now, we are in a big mess. And we need to work together. We need to be strong, courageous, and fight our enemies. So, everybody, both young and old, should do the right thing to join IPOB and let's achieve our aim. Let's get Biafra together as one. So this is my contribution this morning to Biafrans, both home and abroad.
Thank you
God
very
be
much,
with
my
you.
brother.
And may God bless all great Biafrans.
Thank you very much. And that is how it's going to be. Bye-bye from now, and God be with all.
Biafra is our only home. It is our only hope. From the rising of the sun to the going of the same, we must fight till the end to restore our motherland. Oh, Biafra is our only home. Is our only hope, Biafra. We must always strive to do what we ought to do to restore Biafra back, hope of our children.